Rain Cycle and Weather Elements by Venuka Jayavikrama. What is a cycle? Cycle is something that happens over and over again. The water cycle. What are the three major processes? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Evaporation. Water turns from liquid to a vapor. Condensation. Water vapor in the air gets cold and turns back into liquid and forms clouds. Precipitation. Rain, snow, sleet or hail that falls to the ground from the sky. Let's take a look at the weather elements. Rain. Rainfall is measured by the rain gauge. Temperature. Temperature is measured by the thermometer. Wind. Wind direction indicator is used to identify the direction of the wind. Anemometer is used to identify the speed of the wind. Clouds. A few types of clouds are as follows: cumulus, cirrus, stratus, cumulonimbus. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.